Yeah, so when you're considering your characters, you need to make sure that you're giving a lot of importance to the characters, your protagonist, your antagonist. You need to now balance them. You need to, in fact, also you need to go ahead and understand the different situations that they would be put across. The different situations that are included in your story and how they need to progress with each situation and all of that. And then you also need to evaluate your characters. Now take for example, you need to also relate your characters to real life experiences that you've had. Now even if those life experiences are not a part of your story, you need to try and understand that, had my character been in this particular situation, what would he or she have done? So this is the way you're going to actually add life to your character, way your audience would also connect with your characters better. So remember, while developing your characters, you need to choose the number of characters, you need to balance the characters, you need to get to know your characters really well, and you also need to evaluate your characters even in situations that are not included in your book. All right. Okay. So then the next what we have is designing your environment. So when you design your environment, you need to visualize your environment. You need to go ahead and consider the logistics, right? So the architectural cities. Now say for example, if a group of people were on a adventurous trekking or something like that, and probably suddenly in the middle of the night they've gotten stuck, and they do not really have ways to get over and to reach a safe place or something, right? So you need to go ahead in detail with regards to the logistics and their journey of how they spend that lonely dark night in the jungle, and how they need to go ahead and find the way out from the place that they are stuck in, and all of these. It shouldn't be like yesterday they are stuck and tomorrow you start off with a new paragraph wherein everything is back to square one and normal. So you need to make your novel or your book as realistic as possible. Even though it is fiction, you have to make sure that everything looks realistic, and everything needs to be given a lot of logical sense to it. Yeah, then another important point is get yourself a writing space. In fact, this is one of the most important points that I would like to talk about. Now, choosing the way you write and finding your writing space without interruption or without any kind of disturbance is one of the most important points to your success. Now, you have a lot of ideas flowing, you have everything is in line, but you do not have a writing space wherein you can sit freely without any kind of disturbance and get your words together.